Welcome to the incredible world of marsupials. These fascinating creatures, with their distinctive pouches and extraordinary adaptations, have captivated naturalists and scientists for centuries. From the iconic red kangaroo bounding across the Australian outback to the elusive tree kangaroo navigating the rainforests of New Guinea, marsupials present a diverse and captivating branch of the animal kingdom. Join me, David Attenborough, as we delve into the enigmatic world of marsupials, exploring their evolutionary journey, their remarkable adaptations, and their continued survival in a changing world. This is the story of marsupials. Marsupials present a captivating puzzle in the grand tapestry of evolution. Their unique characteristics and geographic distribution have sparked numerous questions about their origins and evolutionary trajectory. While placental mammals dominate most of the globe, marsupials are found primarily in the Americas and Australasia, with a particular concentration in Australia. Get ready to uncover the mysteries behind these fascinating creatures as we delve into the world of marsupials and their incredible evolutionary journey. Our journey begins in the depths of prehistory, over 100 million years ago, when dinosaurs still roamed the Earth. Fossil evidence suggests that marsupials and placental mammals shared a common ancestor during this time. As Pangaea began to break apart, the ancestors of marsupials found themselves on a landmass that would eventually become South America and Australia. Over millions of years, they diversified and adapted to a wide range of ecological niches, evolving into the diverse array of marsupials we know today. Our understanding of marsupial evolution relies heavily on the fragments of their past preserved in the Earth's embrace fossils. One significant fossil discovery took place in North America, where the remains of a creature named Sinodelphys, dating back 125 million years, provided compelling evidence for the early divergence of marsupials and placental mammals. South America has yielded a treasure trove of marsupial fossils, offering a glimpse into their diversification on the continent. However, it is Australia that holds the most comprehensive record of marsupial evolution. While fossil evidence provides a glimpse into the distant past, the first recorded human encounters with marsupials offer a more tangible connection to these unique creatures. In Australia, Aboriginal rock art provides a visual testament to the long-standing relationship between humans and marsupials. European explorers, upon reaching the shores of Australia in the 17th century, were met with a bewildering array of unfamiliar creatures, unlike anything they had seen before. These early observations, though often tinged with misconceptions, marked the beginning of Western scientific inquiry into the world of marsupials. While marsupials are found in both the Americas and Australasia, it is Australia that stands as their undisputed stronghold. This vast island continent, separated from other land masses for millions of years, provided a unique evolutionary stage where marsupials flourished, diversifying into a breathtaking array of forms. From the arid deserts of the interior to the lush rainforests of the coast, marsupials occupied every corner of the continent, each species uniquely equipped for survival. This unique evolutionary history has resulted in an astounding diversity of marsupials in Australia. Marsupials are perhaps most famous for their pouches, a hallmark of their reproductive strategy. Unlike placental mammals, marsupials give birth to extremely altricial or underdeveloped young that continue their development outside the womb. The pouch serves as a portable incubator, providing warmth, protection, and ready access to nourishment. This method of parenting is highly energy efficient, allowing marsupials to survive in harsh and unpredictable environments where food resources can be scarce. By minimizing the energy invested in each offspring at birth, marsupials can reproduce more quickly in response to favorable conditions, a crucial advantage in their often volatile habitats. Marsupials exhibit a wide array of dietary adaptations, reflected most prominently in their teeth. Each species has evolved dental structures that are finely tuned to their specific diets, enabling them to efficiently process food and maximize nutrient intake. Kangaroos and wallabies, for instance, have high-crowned, ridged teeth that are perfect for grinding tough, fibrous plants like grasses. On the other hand, the Tasmanian devil, a carnivorous marsupial, possesses powerful jaws and sharp teeth, designed to crush bones and tear meat. This diversification is a key factor in their evolutionary success, demonstrating how specific adaptations can lead to broader survival strategies. Marsupials possess a range of sensory adaptations that enhance their survival in diverse environments. For instance, many marsupials have highly developed auditory systems, which are essential for detecting predators or communicating with offspring and peers in dense vegetation. The nocturnal sugar glider, a small marsupial known for its gliding membrane, has large, forward-facing eyes that provide excellent night vision, crucial for spotting food and predators in the dark. By continually refining their abilities to interact with their environment, marsupials have managed to thrive in some of the planet's most challenging ecosystems. The reproductive strategies of marsupials are as varied as their habitats, each tailored to maximize the chances of offspring survival. Marsupials typically have shorter gestation periods compared to placental mammals, a trait that reduces the mother's vulnerability during pregnancy, especially in environments where predation risk or food scarcity is high. When food is plentiful and conditions are right, populations can quickly rebound from previous declines, a vital trait in ecosystems subject to frequent disturbances like droughts or fires. By optimizing the timing and investment in each generation, they not only ensure the survival of their current offspring, but also maintain the flexibility needed to adapt to ever-changing environments. The question of whether marsupials are primitive or highly evolved has fueled debate among scientists for decades. Some argue that their unique reproductive strategy, with its short gestation period and underdeveloped young, represents a more ancestral form of mammalian reproduction. However, dismissing marsupials as simply primitive overlooks the remarkable complexity and success of their evolutionary journey. Marsupials have evolved a suite of specialized adaptations, from their efficient pouches and diverse dentition to their keen senses and behavioral flexibility. Marsupials are a testament to the power of natural selection to shape life in remarkable and diverse ways. The fascinating world of marsupials offers a striking example of convergent evolution, a phenomenon where unrelated organisms evolve similar features in response to similar environmental pressures. Compare, for instance, the Australian sugar glider and the North American flying squirrel, both unrelated mammals that have evolved the ability to glide through the air. Despite being separated by millions of years of evolution and an entire ocean, both species developed remarkably similar gliding membranes, showcasing how similar ecological niches can lead to strikingly similar adaptations. When faced with similar ecological challenges, natural selection can favor similar solutions, leading to the remarkable phenomenon of convergent evolution. Understanding the evolutionary relationships among marsupials requires piecing together a complex puzzle of fossil evidence, genetic analysis, and geographic distribution. Genetic studies suggest that all living marsupials can be traced back to a common ancestor that likely originated in what is now South America. From this ancestral lineage, marsupials spread throughout the Americas, eventually reaching Antarctica and Australia via land bridges that existed millions of years ago. The isolation of Australia played a pivotal role in shaping marsupial evolution. This diversification led to the 7 distinct orders of Australian marsupials we see today, encompassing iconic groups like kangaroos, koalas, wombats, and Tasmanian devils. To truly grasp the geographic evolution of marsupials, We must rewind the clock millions of years to a time when the Earth's continents were arranged in a vastly different configuration. This supercontinent, known as Gondwana, played a pivotal role in shaping the distribution and diversity of marsupials we see today. Fossil evidence suggests that marsupials originated in what is now South America, a region that was once part of Gondwana. As this supercontinent began to break apart, around 180 million years ago, the ancestors of modern marsupials found themselves on landmasses that would eventually drift apart, carrying their marsupial inhabitants with them. This process of continental drift had profound implications for marsupial evolution. As South America separated from Antarctica and Australia, the ancestral marsupial populations were geographically isolated, setting the stage for independent evolutionary trajectories. Over millions of years, these isolated populations diversified, adapting to the unique environmental conditions of their respective continents. This process of vicariance, or diversification through geographic isolation, is a fundamental driver of biodiversity on Earth, and it played a crucial role in shaping the marsupial lineages we see today. While continental drift isolated marsupial populations in South America and Australasia for millions of years, a dramatic geological event would eventually bring these lineages back into contact. This event, known as the Great American Interchange, had profound consequences for the evolutionary history of marsupials on both continents. Around 3 million years ago, the Isthmus of Panama rose from the sea, connecting North and South America for the first time in over 60 million years. This land bridge acted as a biological corridor, allowing for an unprecedented exchange of plants and animals between the two continents. For marsupials, this exchange was a mixed blessing. Some groups, like the opossums, successfully migrated north, establishing themselves in new habitats and expanding their range. However, many South American marsupials faced stiff competition from the influx of placental mammals from the north, which were often larger, more adaptable, and better equipped for direct competition. This ecological upheaval led to the decline and extinction of many South American marsupial lineages, highlighting the challenges of intercontinental competition and the profound influence of geological events on the course of evolution. While Australia and the Americas are primary strongholds of marsupial diversity, these creatures also thrive on islands across the globe. New Guinea, the world's second-largest island, boasts a rich tapestry of marsupial life, including tree kangaroos, cuscuses, and bandicoots. The islands of Indonesia harbour a mix of Asian placental mammals and Australasian marsupials. The Galapagos Islands, renowned for shaping Darwin's theory of evolution, are home to a remarkable array of endemic species. Marsupials, with their ancient lineage and remarkable adaptations, stand as a testament to the power of evolution. They remind us that the natural world is a tapestry woven from countless threads. Their story is one of resilience and adaptation. From the deserts of Australia to the forests of New Guinea, marsupials have carved out remarkable niches. We've uncovered the secrets of their pouches and traced their evolutionary journey, but their story is also one of vulnerability. Human activities threaten many marsupial species. Habitat loss and climate change push some to the brink of extinction. The plight of marsupials reminds us of our responsibility to protect biodiversity. These fascinating creatures deserve our admiration and protection. Conservation efforts are underway to safeguard marsupials and their habitats. Wildlife sanctuaries provide safe havens, while research seeks to understand their needs. Public awareness and education are crucial. By fostering appreciation, we can inspire action to protect them. Supporting conservation, reducing our footprint, and advocating for wildlife management are steps in the right direction. Their fate rests in our hands.